Welcome to Philippians chapter 4. I continue to be amazed how uplifting and joyful and encouraging this letter is. The Apostle Paul, writing this from a Roman prison, is so committed to this group of believers in Philippi, and he wants to lift them up in the Lord. And girls, it is uplifting and encouraging to all of us as believers. In fact, this book and even this chapter 4 includes some of the keynote memory verses of all time. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. My God shall supply all my needs according to his riches in heaven. So I hope that you will write down those powerful scriptures as you read through this chapter. The book opens with the word therefore, and Paul is referencing the concepts of join together and following my example. We're citizens in heaven, and that Jesus Christ has the power to bring everything under his control. Then in verse 2, it's mildly amusing to me, he references two women, Yodia and Syntyche, who have been arguing. And he said, would you please work with these women? Because they have been a significant part of our church. So he calls out some women in the context of be unified, work together. I love it when I see women a part of the Old Testament and the New Testament. And the beginning of the early church did involve women. In fact, this church in Philippi was clearly influenced by Lydia, who was one of the first Christians there. The Apostle Paul has a very personal connection with the people there. And as you read this chapter, not only will you notice those two women, but he mentions some other people by name, including reference to a group of people in Caesar's household. And he mentions them at the end of the chapter, which just blows my mind because that was not his favorite place to be, but he was able to minister to many who worked in that household. I just want to read a few of the verses that I hope you will make note of and observe powerful keywords and repeating phrases. Rejoice in the Lord always. Let your gentleness be evident to all. Finally, brothers and sisters, whatever is true, whatever is noble, whatever is right, whatever is pure, whatever is lovely, whatever is admirable, if anything is excellent or praiseworthy, think about these things. It's a total reset and perspective on what to think about. And he says, whatever you've learned or received or heard from me, put it into practice. He was an example and a role model. It's a reminder to us that we can be a powerful example and role model to others as well. And you know what the result of all this is? Thinking correctly, being a godly role model, and the peace of God will be with you. Girls, I hope that you will soak into the powerful, powerful words and meaning of this chapter and apply it to your life. And bye-bye for now.